Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change AOL email password, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, first access your AOL.com's official website, then tap on this option of sign in. Now in the login page as well, you should be able to find a forgot password option, and you can simply go ahead and get the information. So I'm going to simply go ahead, try to log in and tap on next. Right, once you've added your username, email, or mobile relevant to your account, you can tap on next and you're going to be able to log in. As I mentioned, in the login section, if you find forgot password, tap on it, get the code for it, and then simply go ahead, you can edit it out. But if you don't, then you have to sign in, go to the section of change password, and then go ahead, enter a new password, confirm it, then tap on continue, and you're good to go. Your password will be changed, and that is it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.